Hello everybody, welcome to my video about cleaning. Cleaning is when you make something look new and fresh, like when you clean your room. Do you like to clean? Cleaning can be fun. It can also be easy. With practice, you can clean better. The first step in cleaning is to look. Look around the room. What's messy? What needs cleaning? Seeing the mess helps you know where to start. Have you seen the mess? Great. Now we gather tools. Tools help you clean. Tools are things like a broom, a mop, or a cloth. You can use tools to help you clean. Next, you can start with the floor. The floor is the bottom part of the room. You walk on the floor. Sweeping means using a broom to collect dust. Mop the floor after sweeping. Mopping means using a mop to make the floor clean and shiny with water. How does your floor look now? Better? Good job. Now let's clean the surfaces. Surfaces are places like tables and counters. Wipe the surfaces. Wiping means using a cloth to remove dust and dirt. Windows are important too. Windows let light into a room. Use a cloth to clean the window. Make it clear and shiny. What about the objects in the room? Objects are things in your room like books. Put them in their places. A place is where something belongs. Cleaning also means throwing away. Throwing away means putting rubbish in a bin. Rubbish is something you don't need anymore. Old papers, broken toys, throw them away. Have you thrown away the rubbish? Very good. Now let's talk about the air. Air is what we breathe. Open a window. Let fresh air come in. Fresh air means new and clean air. Do you feel the fresh air? It's nice, right? Sometimes cleaning has smells. Smells come from cleaning sprays. Not all smells are good. Be careful with smells. Now, washing is another way to clean. Wash your hands. Wash the dishes. Washing means using water and soap to make things clean. Are your dishes shiny now? Great. Remember, cleaning is good. It makes your home nice and fresh. Cleaning is a job. A job is something you do. Like any job, practice makes it easier. When you finish cleaning, feel proud. Proud means feeling good about something that you did. Look around. Your room looks new and fresh. Cleaning is a part of life. Everyone cleans. Some people clean every day. Some people clean once a week. Find what works for you. Cleaning can be fun. Put on music. Dance while you clean. Enjoy the process. Do you want to practice your English with me? Join my free English learning group on Telegram today. You can also listen to my daily podcast on Telegram for just $1 per month. And if you visit my website, you can book private English lessons with me and download my audiobook. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching.